Good morning, class. We will be continuing the same chapter, that is chapter 3, reproduction in animals. In our previous class, we have already discussed about what is sexual reproduction and in detail about female reproductive system. Today we will be discussing in detail about male reproductive system. So the main important parts of your male reproductive system are your testes, okay, testes, then you have urethra, you have vas deferens and penis. Okay, first let us learn about testes. Now testes are the oval shaped structure. The structure, these are extended out of your abdomen, okay, and here in the testes only your maturation, sperm production takes place. Okay, sperm production takes place in a fluid called semen. Okay, here in your testes. So the part of the testes where your sperm production takes place is your seminiferous tubules. Okay, and the part of the testes where the maturation takes place is epididymis. Okay, so here in the testes your sperm production takes place. So these testes are oval shaped structure which are extended out of the abdomen and they are present inside a sac like structure or pouch like structure called scrotum. Okay, scrotum is a pouch or sac like structure where your testes are present. Now this scrotum is outside the abdomen. Why is that? Why is it so? That is because for the maturation of the sperm you need bit lower temperature than that of a body temperature. That's why outside the temperature is below almost 2 to 3 degrees Celsius less, and that is very much essential for maturation of the sperm. That's why your testes are present outside the abdomen. Okay, now the sperm are produced in the testes, I told you, so it has to be taken to the urethra, and so the sperm are taken to the urethra with the help of this tube. Can you see the tube here? This tube is referred to as vas deferens. With the help of vas deferens, this tube, your sperms are taken to the urethra. Okay, now urethra is also a tube like structure which continues along the penis region. Okay, so your urethra helps in taking those sperm to the penis region, and penis is an organ through which your sperms are ejected outside, and it's the same organ through which the urine is also ejected outside. Okay, so those were the main important parts of a male reproductive system. Now it also has other parts, accessory parts, which has an important role to play. So those parts are your prostate gland. This portion of the male reproductive system is referred to as a prostate gland. Okay, it's a single lobed. Okay, so this function of this prostate gland is to produce semen. Okay, so in male reproductive system, the 15 to 33% of the semen is produced by the prostate gland. Okay, semen helps in the movement of the sperm also. Okay, it's a fluid, watery fluid through which the sperm swims across. Okay, now another one is your seminal vesicle. Okay, your seminal vesicle is also one of the accessory gland of male reproductive system. What is its role? It produces alkaline fluid. What is the use of the alkaline fluid? Because the part of the female reproductive area where your sperm enters is acidic. Okay, so in order to neutralize it, this alkaline fluid is produced. Okay, because in the alkaline medium your sperm may not function. Because of that you need to neutralize that area. So that area is neutralized by the alkaline fluid produced by seminal vesicle. Now, other than producing alkaline fluid, it also produces semen. 60% of the semen is produced by your seminal vesicles. So that's all about the male reproductive system. You need to know the different parts, the main parts and its function. Okay. Next we will be discussing about fertilization in our next class. Thank you.